Alright, so in this video, we'll be talking a little bit more in depth on how to actually read SEMrush, the intention behind the words, and get to know a little bit more so you can do a better job at researching keywords. Okay, so let's start with this. This is a good tool that we have, SEMrush. So I'm using the broad search and I put in artificial grass, right? So as you can see, there's different types of intention when it comes to keywords, right? Commercial, informational, transactional, and navigational. So those, did I miss one? Yeah, I think so. Those are the four that we're taking a look at. If you think about this in the buying cycle, navigational is pretty much the coldest one from that sales, right? They're probably looking for a place to go to, not unless that destination is somewhere that they want to buy from. But usually we're phone driven markets is the thing that we're targeting anyway, so they have no reason why they need to go anywhere. So that's the very left one. The next one to it is the informational ones, meaning these are the people that are do-it-yourselves. They want more information, and they're the type of people that may be able to convert later on once they understand how much work it is and they don't want to do it. There's a chance that they might become hotter when it comes to buying whatever it is you're selling. And then the next one is a commercial. They're looking at specific products or specific industry that they're checking out. And of course, the last one is transactional, which is the T. Because transactional, they're ready to buy, they're looking for something to buy. So those are the four spectrums. And keep in mind, that's what the intent category is here, what it's trying to do. And another important part about this is that to what part are they actually buying? Like, for example, the best way I can describe this is like Home Depot artificial grass, right? So if you think about it, this person that typed this in is ready to buy, but their intention is actually to buy from Home Depot, and they want to probably do it themselves, right? You see the difference between that? Then compared to like artificial grass installers near me, the intention of this is they want somebody to do it for them, right? They're ready to buy whatever that service. And these are the type of keywords that we are looking for. Okay. Let's see here. Let's see another one. Artificial rug. See, these types of stuff, artificial grass rug. Well, actually, I should probably do cabinet painters. Let's see what cabinet painters has to say. So there's specific things that I want you to look at, and look at the intention behind of the type words. Okay. Let's see here. See, this is a really good one because they're looking for a service. And let me just see if I can find. Let me see. Let me go back one more. Cabinet painters related. So I put cabinet painters related. I want to show you something really important here. If this would load. But you see the intent here? That's exactly what I wanted you to see. And let's see here. Here we go. So kitchen cabinet paint, the intention is informational and transactional. This is probably a person that's looking to buy paint themselves. As you can see, they're looking to buy paint, but it's for themselves. It's not buying a service. You see the difference? Then compared to cabinet painters near me, because they're looking for a service here. So these are the type of stuff that I want you to pay attention to, because it's really important when it comes to writing content. Okay. Let's do another one. Let's see. Yeah. Hopefully that makes sense. If not, give me a give me a shout out or something. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So target keywords that are more transactional, but in the right direction, meaning transactional when it comes to the service that we're providing, but pay attention to the type of keywords that people are actually typing, like kitchen cabinet paint. This is probably a good keyword, but the intent behind this feels like they're looking for just cabinet paints. They're looking in the commercial. Their intent is kind of like they're looking for something to buy, but it's not in the right direction that we want. Hopefully that makes sense. They could probably convert also to become service-based customers, but in this case, this is a pretty good word they, of course, definitely need to write about, but it's not super hot when it comes to what we're trying to do here. Okay? Alright, that's all I have for you guys.